And then we've got Bitcoin. And, I think the shock of all shocks to those who do not believe in Bitcoin or think it's a Ponzi scheme or, are blockchain, not Bitcoin, in their focus. They're shocked that the Bitcoin has gone from 19,000 during the heat of the bank crisis in that second week of March to 29,000. It's a flight to safety. That's what this is. It's a flight to safety.
In recent years, Bitcoin has emerged as a potential flight to safety asset during times of economic uncertainty. This sentiment has been echoed by Cathie Wood, CEO of ARK Invest, who has repeatedly stated that Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies can act as a hedge against inflation and wealth confiscation. Wood has been a longtime proponent of Bitcoin and has even set a price target of $1 million for the digital asset. She believes that Bitcoin presents opportunities for wealth preservation to both the rich and the poor, and that it can serve as an insurance policy against hyperinflation and government overreach. Wood's comments about Bitcoin being a flight to safety asset have been particularly relevant in recent times as the global economy has become increasingly disrupted and unpredictable. In an article on Benzinga, Wood was quoted as saying that Bitcoin and Ether are serving as flight to safety assets as the world's economy becomes more uncertain. This sentiment was also reflected in a recent article on Daily Hodl, which stated that Bitcoin and Ether are becoming increasingly important during times of inflation as they are decentralized and not subject to inflationary pressures. This makes them a reliable store of value that can act as a hedge against economic uncertainty and instability. Overall, Cathie Wood's comments about Bitcoin being a flight to safety asset are part of a growing recognition of the potential benefits of cryptocurrencies in today's uncertain economic landscape. As more people recognize the value of Bitcoin and other digital assets as a potential store of value and hedge against inflation, it is likely that we will see increased adoption and integration of these assets into the global financial system. Before we listen to Cathie Wood further, please smash the like button and subscribe to the channel if you are yet to do so. Thanks for watching our videos.
And those who understand the value of Bitcoin as really the Bitcoin blockchain evolving a new global monetary system that is not hostage to any human decision makers, is decentralized, transparent, auditable. More and more people want that. And, this is proof of concept. Bitcoin came out of the ashes of 08, 09. Basically, it was designed, decentralized, transparent, auditable, as an antidote, a place, again, to go, a monetary system to which investors can flee. And that's exactly what's going on. This move from 19 to 29 was not a flash in the pan. We are still there. And if you look at our Bitcoin monthly, it just came out this week, a couple of days ago, you'll see that the signals, we measure the health of the Bitcoin blockchain in that piece. And you can see the health on a day-to-day basis, and it's very, very healthy. And then there's another market indicator. It's away from fixed income and digital assets. It's commodity prices. All of the prices I usually cite are down from their peaks, and all but gold and silver are down on a year-over-year basis. And we're watching gold very carefully. It, like Bitcoin, and to some extent silver as well, are flights to safety if people don't trust the banking system. But we also have to be mindful that gold is a very good inflation gauge. It peaked in August of 2020, and it's still in the range that has been in place since then. But we're paying close attention. Is it rising? Is the price rising because of a flight to safety? We would suggest so. But there's always that risk that gold is picking up on fears also that the Fed, those who don't believe the Fed should ease, and we're not in that category, but there are many people out there and who worry that the Fed will pivot, might be hedging that possibility with gold.
Bitcoin has long been recognized as a potential flight to safety asset, and this sentiment is likely to continue in 2023 and beyond. Despite some predictions of a potential price drop for Bitcoin, there are several compelling arguments for why the digital asset remains a safe haven during times of economic uncertainty and volatility. Firstly, Bitcoin's decentralized nature makes it immune to inflationary pressures and government intervention. Unlike fiat currencies, which are subject to the whims of central banks and political policies, Bitcoin's value is determined by market demand and supply. This makes it a reliable store of value and a hedge against inflation, especially in times of economic instability. Secondly, the growing institutional adoption of Bitcoin as an investment asset is a strong indicator of its potential as a flight to safety asset. Large institutional investors such as banks and hedge funds are investing in Bitcoin as a long-term hedge against market volatility and economic uncertainty, recognizing its potential as a store of value and a diversification tool for their portfolios. Thirdly, the current geopolitical landscape is characterized by increasing uncertainty and disruption, making Bitcoin an attractive asset for investors seeking stability and security. As global tensions continue to rise and the threat of economic recession looms, Bitcoin's potential as a flight to safety asset is likely to increase in the coming years. Furthermore, the long-term price potential of Bitcoin is significant, with some experts predicting that the digital asset could reach prices of $250,000 or higher in the coming years, as reported by Forbes. This potential for significant long-term price appreciation further strengthens Bitcoin's potential as a store of value and a flight to safety asset. Moreover, the recent positive price momentum of Bitcoin, as reported by the Motley Fool, suggests that investor confidence in the digital asset is growing. This is due in part to increased institutional adoption, as well as the growing recognition of Bitcoin as a potential store of value and a hedge against inflation. In conclusion, Bitcoin's potential as a flight to safety asset in 2023 and beyond is based on several compelling arguments, including its decentralized nature, increasing institutional adoption, the current geopolitical landscape, and its potential for significant long-term price appreciation. As the world becomes more uncertain and volatile, Bitcoin's potential as a safe haven asset is likely to continue to grow, making it an attractive investment opportunity for those seeking stability and security in an unpredictable world. Are you tired of the boring old stocks and bonds and would like to add some much-needed variety to your retirement savings account? Look no further than iTrust.capital, America's #1 self-directed digital IRA platform for individual investors. iTrust.capital allows you to enjoy the flexibility and tax benefits of individual retirement accounts (IRA) while investing in the exciting world of cryptocurrencies. With over 30 popular cryptocurrency offerings including Bitcoin, Ether, Dogecoin, Polkadot, Axie Infinity, Polygon, and Uniswap, you can invest in all your favorite cryptocurrencies and trade them 24 hours a day and 7 days a week from the comfort of your homes. You can also invest in physical gold and silver, while personally taking charge of your retirement plans and future with iTrust.capital. iTrust.capital is committed to providing a safe and secure platform for investors. The platform uses advanced security measures such as multi-factor authentication and cold storage to protect investors' assets and information. iTrust.capital is also regulated by the SEC and FINRA, ensuring investors are protected by the highest regulatory standards. Investing just got more exciting with iTrust.capital's new conditional transactions feature. This feature allows you to set conditional buy and sell orders so you never miss out on market rallies or get trapped during downtrends. Step into an exciting new world of opportunities with America's #1 crypto IRA platform by following the link in the description box below. It is safe and secure and gives you the much-needed variety for your traditional Roth, SEP, or simple IRA. Don't miss out on the chance to invest in the future of finance. Click the link below to get started. Thanks for watching. Stay savvy till our next video.